Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this neutral smoky eye. It's super cute and it's super simple, and I only use one palette to achieve the look. So if you guys want to see how I got the look, make sure you stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I'm doing my eyebrows, and most of the time after I'm done with my eyebrows I always have product left over from cleaning up my brows, like so. And y'all know I don't like wasting product. So I'm just going to take that leftover product and go ahead and apply it to my eyelids. And if you don't have any leftover product, you can just get your favorite concealer or whatever base you use before you pop on your eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Warrior palette by Juvias place. And I'm going to be using this dark brown color right here, this chocolate brown color right here, and this really like light nude color right here. And that's it. Those are the only three colors we're using. So if you don't have this palette, just find the colors that are the closest to these three colors. You can even use a black and a brown and a nude color. So as always, I start right underneath my brows, and I put that color on, put a light color on right under my brows right here, so that the color doesn't blend all the way up to my brows. And since we're using all the colors out of this same palette, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that, a little bit of that chocolate brown. I'm just gonna dab just a little bit under that brow and blend it out just a little bit. And you see it's almost the same color as my skin tone. So you really can't see it for real, but it is setting so no other color will, you know, go up. Next we're gonna go in with that dark brown. And like I said, you can use black, whatever the darkest color is that you want to use. And we're just going to add that at the corner into the crease, and like covering half of the eye. And you just want to pack that on. You got that all packed on. You want to go back in with this brown color, this lighter shade of brown right here, and we're going to use that to blend out that dark brown or the black, whatever color you chose to use. And then you want to take a clean brush and just go over all of that and clean it up and make sure it's buffed out really good. So now that we got the smoky part of the eye done and it's all blended out, we're going to go ahead and do the other half of the eye. And you just want to take some more of whatever concealer or base you use. You just want to use just a little bit. And you want to use a small fluffy brush. You want to dip that into whatever base or concealer you're using. And go ahead and tap that on the inner corner of your eye. And blend it out. And you don't want to cover up too much of the black, so you want to like meet it halfway in like the center of your eyelid, and just apply it on there and just keep patting until it is blended out really good. If you need to, go ahead and grab you another fluffy brush, a clean one, and you can use that to go ahead and smooth out the edge of that concealer. And then last, we're going to take that nude color in that palette, and we're going to add that right on top of where we just blended out that base or that concealer. medium brown, that chocolate brown. Put it right above there and bring that out. And then you want to go back and forth with the two brushes for the brown or the black and that nude color. You just want to take those two colors and kind of blend them together. Of course, after this, you want to clean up your eyes and add your eyeliner and mascara and some lashes. Okay, so mascara is added. We're gonna go ahead and pop on the lashes next. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I did go in after I was done with everything and I added some highlighter. I used the same Juvias palette, and I believe it was this top color right here. So altogether I used 4 colors from this palette. I used this dark brown, this lighter shaded brown, this nude right here, and this shimmery color right here. So yeah, after I was done with everything, I went in and used that shimmery color on my brow bone, and I also used it as my highlighter as well. I think this look came out super cute. You can also switch it up by putting on a different color lip. My go-to is always a nude, some shade of nude or brown, but I think that this will look super dope with like a red or a pink, even maybe like a coral or a purple. I think any color would, you know, still set this look off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you go ahead and do that at simply.shon. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.